Futures trading involves a substantial risk of loss and may not be suitable for all investors. Therefore, carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your financial conditions.
Good afternoon. This is Oliver Sloup, Blue Line Futures, coming to you from the Chicago Board of Trade. Today is Monday, March 2nd, officially the first trading day of the month. We got a lot of fireworks to go along with it, no pun intended. Typically for these videos, we like to look at the daily charts. Today, we're going to zoom in on the 5-minute charts for a few different commodities. That gives us a better picture of how we opened last night and how that trade progressed through the Sunday night into the Monday morning and then the regular trading hour session. So we'll start with the May corn contract, which we got pulled up here. And here we highlighted that opening 5-minute box. Soybeans, opening 5-minute box here. Wheat, 5-minute box. Crude oil, 5-minute box there. What do you notice about those markets? Peak panic right on the open. That was the high for all of those markets within that first 5 minute of trade. Conversely, we saw a lot of weakness and some new lows put in for the markets in that first 5-minute trade in the equity side of things. And then the markets kind of calmed down. Coming into this morning's trade, what was the one or two markets that hadn't really opened yet? The livestock markets, cattle and lean hogs. So coming into this morning's trade, we thought, well, maybe it's going to be a pretty similar playbook where you get that peak panic capitulation. And that's exactly what we got. Peak panic capitulation right on the open. And then the market settled out, was able to grind back and erase those losses and actually finish on a pretty strong note, which is encouraging for price action going forward. So the moral of the story here is even if you're just a cattle trader or a lean hog trader, it's important to keep an eye on some of those outside markets and other markets, see how they trade and give you clues on how your market might be setting up.
Futures trading involves a substantial risk of loss and may not be suitable for all investors. Therefore, carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your financial condition. All information, communications, publications, and reports, including this specific material used and distributed by Blue Line Futures LLC, shall be construed as or is in the nature of a solicitation for entering into a futures transaction. Blue Line Futures LLC does not employ research analysts or maintain a research department as defined in CFTC Regulation 1.71.